Morning, guys. I'm Jason. You're watching Yankee Valley Outdoors today. This great big massive oak tree coming down. It's dead. It goes forever. All we gotta do is get it on the ground safely. The customer's gonna work it up to firewood. Come along. I'm gonna try to get some pictures, videos, coming bringing this thing down. Now, if you look at that paint mark, that's not my artwork there. That's, the customer did that. He was going to take this tree himself. Got worried about cutting it. And, well, I had the same worry, so we're taking it down with the truck. We'll piece it out, large pieces, and just let it blow it out on the ground. Big tree. Just for perspective, guys, he's about 40 foot up right there. He's using an MS 460 with a 28-inch board. Alright guys, safely on the ground. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.